Hey folks, welcome to my channel. If you're here for the first time, welcome. My name is Martina, and for my regular viewers, welcome back. So today I'm at a roti shop today in Tunapuna. It's quite noisy. There's a school right opposite, and the children, I think, maybe on their lunch break. So it's quite noisy. So I hope you can hear me clearly. I'm trying my best to talk as loud as I can. So again, like I said before, I'm at Charlie's Roti Shop. It's called Charlie's Cafe, but it's a roti and stuff. So today I bought a wrapped roti. This is how it's presented. Excuse the statement, it's not too stable. This is how it's presented. Wrapped roti, right? I bought 4 rotis, 2 goat and 2 chicken. So the other goat roti is for my daughter. We both like goat, curry goat. And within the brown bag, this is how the roti is wrapped, right? And we have a wrapped roti in here. How it looks is a paratha roti with the curry goat in it. And I'm going to have a red soda to drink with it. This is a mini drink, red soda. So this is how we eat this wrap roti. I'm not going to open it like how I normally do. So I'll just basically fold the paper around the roti like this and just bite into it. I'm excited. I've been hungry for a little while now, so I'm looking so forward to have this roti. So I was here before with my son-in-law for the first time, and I really enjoyed the meal. So I'm going to try this now. It's curry goat. It's supposed to be curry goat, and I think the guy put some chana, curry chana. I told him I didn't want any curry potatoes because I find it makes the roti too heavy, because that's carbohydrates for the potato, and then for the roti I think that's too much. So there's the curry goat and some chana, and that's it. Let me take a bite and I'll show you what it looks like. Surprisingly, they didn't give me any napkins, surprisingly. Anyway, I have on my wrap, so I'll wipe my mouth and stuff after. Now when they cook these curries, they normally would add pepper. And the guy who took my order, he asked me how much pepper, so I told him no, because I know when they add pepper it's extra spicy, because like I said before, when they cook the curry, meat, chicken, beef, whatever they're cooking, they cook with a bit of pepper. And for them to add extra pepper is really extra spicy, so I told him no extra pepper in my and I'm glad I did, because I'm tasting the spice in it already right now. Okay folks, I'm almost done, but I don't really have enough space on my phone, so I'll have to time this video. And it's really good. It's spicy and nice, and my nose is already running. And with the goat, it's not boneless, it's bone in the with the goat, and I'm enjoying it. I like a little bone in my chicken or whatever I'm eating, so I like that. So I really enjoy this. It tastes good, and it's a small size, and I'm not too full. Sometimes they have a bigger one that's so big that probably half of it will fill me. So this size is really good. Like I said, I'm enjoying it. I enjoyed it. The Dhalpuri roti is filled with split peas. What I will do when my daughter is having her roti, I'll take some pictures so you can see, and maybe do a video of the roti with it wrapped, open up, and you can see the inside of the roti. So I'm almost done, like I said. Another thing too, the roti is nice and moist, it's not dry. You know, there's a lot of sauce in it, but it's not too runny. I really like that. I really like that. So this is my solo. Traditionally, when we have like our curry meal, you have either solo, this is what, champagne, called champagne, or maybe orange. Solo is a brand. It's a brand, manufactured. Let me see if there any changes. Yes, bottled by Solo. Beverages Limited, Trinidad Western. I think the reason why we drink this sort of a drink with the roti is because of the spiciness of the roti. That's basically just to cool down the heat from the pepper, and which really does help, you know. So I guess it works hand in hand. So this is the roti. Just a close up now. How it's presented. It's in the paper bag. So we're gonna take it out of the paper bag and show you how it's presented. It's wrapped up in this. It's like a grease proof sort of paper, like. And we're gonna unwrap that. So this is a roti. This is a wrap. What we call a wrapped roti, right? And we're gonna turn it over the other side and open it up so you can see what it looks like. And then we're gonna show you how they fold this roti. So this is a chicken roti. Yum. This is inside. So like I said before, this looks so good. I wonder what that green. Oh, that is celery. That this looks like celery here. So we have this curry chicken with some chana. I told them to leave out the potato. So let's fold this right back up. This is how we fold it. Let's start again. Open it back up. So this is how they wrap it. They'll put one piece on one side, the other side, and then to the top. And yep, that's how they fold it. And this roti, like I said before, Dhalpuri filled with split peas, the granny split peas, and they fold it in the dough and the before ready to bake. And yeah, that's it. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, click on the thumbs up button, leave a comment for me, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to click on the bell next to the subscribe button. In doing so, you can get a notification each time I upload a new video. Okay, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.